In this tutorial, I'll be solving another problem. We have to write a function that reverses an array. For example, if you have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, the return value should be 4, 3, 2, and 1. So how do we solve this? So let's check the logic behind this. So if you have an array, let's divide this into 2. If you have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, the output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first thing we notice here is that we are swapping the value in the first index to the value in the last index. So by doing that, 4 will be coming here and 1 will be coming here. So we can note some things down. The first thing is that we are doing swapping. So since we are swapping the first and the last indexes, so we need to keep track of the index. So this is another thing we need to know. Keep track of starting and last indexes. So this is the first and this is last. You can remember this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to guess the value of the first index and last index. So let us assume the starting index is $I and the ending is $j. After doing the swapping, we also notice that we'll be swapping the value here and the value here. The implication is that we are moving $I forward by 1 in this direction and $j is moving backward in the other direction. So you can now swap this and this. So it's like you're having, after doing the first swapping, you have $I plus plus and $j minus minus. So you can also swap 2 and 3. So you have 3 here and 2 here. So with this, we know that we've arrived at our answer. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. We stop the swapping at this point. So let us go deep to really find what happened to the values of I and j. We have $I and we also have $j. For $I, it is moving from 0, 1, 2, and $j is moving from 3, 2, 1. And for $j we have 3, 2, 1. We notice that in the first time at this condition there was swapping. In the second condition there was swapping also. But at this condition there was no swapping because we only swapped 2 times. The first time is from here to here, and the second time you are swapping from here to here. So this condition there was swapping here, but there was no swapping here. If you look at the values of the I and j critically, you notice that we only swapped when $I is less than $j. $I is coming from this direction, $j is coming to this direction. This is $I and this is $j. So we can swap at this point. But the point wherein $I is moving to the side of $j, we are not swapping at this point. You can also see that there is a condition attached to swapping. The condition of swapping is when $I is less than $j. Another thing we notice is that from the starting point we do not get all the elements in the array. We only got the elements when this condition is met. So it means for this solution, we will not be using a for loop. Rather, we'll be using a while loop because there is a condition attached to it, and this is the condition. While this condition is true, we can loop through the array to get the values. Otherwise, we'll break out of the loop. So let's try to put everything together again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, our function should be something like this. Reverse array. It takes in an array. So we can get the first and the last index. That is $i and $j. You can get the values. So you know we have a while loop. While $i is less than $j. At this point, we can do the swapping. So you have some parameters here. And after doing the swapping, we have a new array. After the swapping, you can increment $i and also $j should be reduced. This will be moving forward and this will be moving backward. And at the end of the while loop, we can return our array. So this is the summary of what we'll be having. So now let us put it down in our IDE.